Well, been a while, been a bit busy, work and whatnot, but we've made some good progress. So just a little update tag on the end of all these time lapses that you get in, but here we are. So at the minute the cage is mostly in. Took quite an effort getting all of these feet welded in properly. They're all good enough should I ever decide to logbook the car. Steering columns get in there. It's proving an absolute shit to weld in, but it's there, it's measured up. I've had a seat in today, kind of worked out the seating position, although not terribly happy with the seats I've got. It was my intention to change them some way down the line when I got some more cash, but I think that might have to happen sooner or later, sooner rather than later. But yeah, that's it at the minute. The cage is in now. Finish that steering column off, and then it's a case of starting to cut the floor up, as I've mentioned before, to drop the seat rails down, get the seat rails in. Once that's done, I can paint inside, and once inside's done, I don't know whether you can hear that, but there's some tremendous Welsh rain going on out there at the minute. Yeah, so happy days. Things are progressing slowly as ever, but that's the way things are. So thanks for watching, and see you again soon.